What if the key to your health was hidden in the eating habits of our ancient ancestors? Could going back in time help you move forward with weight loss, better energy, and overall health? Stick around because today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the paleo diet, uncovering its secrets and answering the big question, is it right for you? In this video, we'll explore what the paleo diet is, break down its core principles, discuss its benefits and potential downsides, and share practical tips to start your paleo journey. Plus, we'll answer some curious questions you've always wanted to ask, like, is it really sustainable? And does it work for everyone? What is the paleo diet? Why is the paleo diet often called the caveman diet? The paleo diet is based on eating like our Paleolithic ancestors. Yes, think cavemen. It emphasizes whole, unprocessed foods that could be hunted, fished, or gathered, such as meat, fish, nuts, leafy greens, regional vegetables, and seeds. The idea is simple. If it wasn't available thousands of years ago, it's not on the menu today. That means no grains, dairy, processed foods, or refined sugar. But why this focus on ancient eating habits? Does eating like our ancestors really improve our modern health? Let's find out. How does the paleo diet work? How can eating like a caveman possibly lead to weight loss and better health? The paleo diet works by eliminating foods that are harder for our bodies to process, like refined sugars, grains, and processed fats. Instead, it focuses on nutrient-dense foods that promote satiety, reduce inflammation, and stabilize blood sugar levels. This often leads to weight loss because you naturally consume fewer calories while feeling fuller. Plus, the lack of processed junk reduces cravings. But it's not just about weight. It's about optimizing your body's natural processes. So, if it sounds so good, what are the actual benefits people rave about? Benefits of the paleo diet. What health transformations can you expect from going paleo? Weight loss. Many people shed excess pounds due to reduced calorie intake and improved metabolism. Better digestion. Eliminating grains and dairy helps people with sensitivities feel less bloated and more comfortable. Improved energy. Whole, nutrient-rich foods provide sustained energy throughout the day. Reduced inflammation. Paleo focuses on anti-inflammatory foods, which can improve conditions like joint pain or acne. Stable blood sugar levels. The diet reduces spikes in blood sugar, helping people avoid energy crashes. Sounds amazing, right? But is there a catch? Let's talk about some potential challenges with the paleo diet. Challenges and criticisms of the paleo diet. Why do some people say the paleo diet is too restrictive? While the paleo diet has many benefits, it's not without its challenges. First, it eliminates food groups like grains and dairy, which can feel restrictive for some people. Second, it can be expensive since it emphasizes high-quality meats and fresh produce. Third, social situations, like dining out or attending events, can be tricky when you're following such specific rules. Finally, critics argue that the diet may oversimplify nutrition science by entirely excluding some modern healthy foods like legumes and whole grains. So, how do you overcome these challenges and make paleo work in real life? How to get started with the paleo diet. What's the easiest way to go paleo without feeling overwhelmed? Here are the step-by-step tips to follow the paleo diet. Start slow. Begin by cutting out processed foods and gradually eliminating grains and dairy. Stock your kitchen. Keep paleo-friendly staples like lean meats, eggs, fresh vegetables, fruits, nuts, and seeds. Meal prep. Prepare meals in advance to avoid the temptation of non-paleo foods. Experiment with recipes. Try paleo versions of your favorite meals. Think zucchini noodles instead of pasta or cauliflower rice. Stay balanced. Avoid overloading on meats and include plenty of vegetables for a balanced plate. Now that you know how to start, what are some quick and delicious paleo meals you can whip up today? Paleo recipes and meal ideas. Can you still enjoy delicious food on the paleo diet? Yes, absolutely. Here are some examples of easy and tasty paleo meals. Breakfast: sweet potato hash with eggs and avocado. Lunch: grilled chicken salad with olive oil and lemon dressing. Dinner: baked salmon with roasted vegetables. Snacks: almonds, mixed berries, or paleo-friendly energy bars. These meals are flavorful, filling, and keep you on track with your health goals. But is the paleo diet sustainable in the long run? Let's tackle this final question. Is the paleo diet right for you? Can you stick to the paleo diet forever, or is it just a short-term fix? The paleo diet is sustainable for some, but not all. It depends on your lifestyle, preferences, and health goals. Some people adopt a modified paleo approach, occasionally including foods like legumes or dairy, while sticking to the core principles. The key is finding balance and focusing on what works for your body and life. So, there you have it, the paleo diet in all its glory. We've covered its origins, how it works, its benefits, challenges, and even shared tips to get started. If you're ready to give it a try, start small and listen to your body. And if you're already on paleo, let us know your experience in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more health and diet tips, and click the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Now that you've got some powerful tools for burning fat, if you're ready to take it to the next level, check out my recommended resources below. The Custom Keto Diet, the Smoothie Diet, and Eat Stop Eat are all specially designed programs that help you reach your goals faster. Just click the links in the description to find the one that's best for you and get started on your journey to a healthier, fitter you. Let's make those goals a reality.